Bye-bye na.
Several valued certificate guests. Please be reminded that every passenger is allowed only one hand carry baggage inside the cabin. The maximum weight shall be 7 kilograms and shall not exceed the allowable dimension. Passengers carrying more than the allowed weight and size shall be charged to the gate baggage.
I love you.
Kami lamang ang certificate guests. Isang paalala lamang na ang bawat pasahero ay maaari lamang po magdala ng isang hand-carry baggage.
Nay, ako sa palma, Nay.
Ang bigat nito ay hindi dapat
Bye-bye.
malagpas ng 7 kilo at hindi dapat malagpas sa pinanginitulugang
Moto sa kuya.
Ang mga pasahero magdadala ay gusto
Bye-bye. Bye-bye ko na.
bigat at sukat ng
Bye-bye,
hand-carry baggage ay kinakailangan magbayad ng gate baggage fee. Maraming salamat po.
Bye-bye. Murks papadi. Bye-bye.
To all Pacific guests on flight 5J630 bound
What's up,
for
Ma?
Manila,
Bye-bye,
please be
man.
advised that due to limited space inside the aircraft to accommodate carry-on bags, we shall be seeking for passengers willing to voluntarily present their carry-on bags to be checked in for free.
Babay na yung magpapabe.
To check in their bags, kindly approach our gate personnel at boarding gate number 1. Once again, for those guests who would like to check in their bags or carry-on bags, kindly approach our gate personnel at boarding gate number 1.
Ay, kakuya na yan. Bye-bye. Amay. Bye-bye. Bayaw.
Bayaw, ingat ka.
Bye. Bye. Sige lang.
Babay pa pa. Babay pa pa. Babay pa pa.
Murks papadi.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you. Ating. Bye-bye.
O si Bayaw.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Tara, linat ka.
Bye. Bye.
Balik naman papa mi. Kana siya sa usabag. No, asa ko no sa kabar? Ano dito sa sulod?
Good evening. We are calling the attention of Mr. Emmanuel